But I would just add, though, that Madagascar has fought really, really hard to reestablish a democracy. It's not been easy. It's been a real challenge. But we're also concerned when people talk about trying to change the government through non-democratic means. And that's also a serious issue that needs to be taken seriously given the events of the past 5-6 years. There are ways of expressing your views and that involve exercising your freedoms, but likewise, that's a responsibility. And I think that language that implies that you're going to try to topple the government, I mean, it's irresponsible, and there's no place for that in a democratic system. Most countries in the world, most democracies believe that freedom of expression, freedom of the press, they're important principles, and each country has their methods or ways of operationalizing that, making how that works. And so we're not going to tell Madagascar how to do it, but it is an important principle and one that we value. And so we're always concerned when we see situations where where these types of cases occur. I'm not going to comment on a specific case like that, but the United States always tracks these types of human rights issues very closely, and we talk to the government about them when we have concerns or issues.